Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Hakim Didao. Today I am going to teach you wudu. Let's get started. Step 1. Make an intention. Say Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can do that by whispering to your heart. Step 2. Wash your hands. Completely wash your hands. And repeat 3 times. Step 3. Rinse your mouth. Put water on your mouth. Rinse it and spit out. Repeat 3 times. Step 4. Rinse your nose. Sniff water into your nose. Repeat this 3 times. Step 5. Wash your face. Wash your face completely. Repeat this 3 times. Step 6. Wash your arms. Start with the right arm first. And then the left arm. Do this 3 times. Step 7. Wipe your head. Wipe your head with water. Do this just once. Step 8. Clean your ears. This is done only once. Step 9. Wash your feet. Wash your right foot first. Do the same to the left foot. Repeat 3 times. Recite the dua. Amin. And now ready to pray. Don't break the wudu. You wanna know how to break the wudu? Number 1. Using toilet. Number 2. Farting. Number 3. Sleeping. Number 4. Falling unconscious. That's it. Your wudu is now complete.